Well, good morning. It's the next day. The time is 8:30 a.m. and we are ready to head to the show. I have been given all the instructions not to start a conversation about getting a fifth wheel, not to talk about getting a new, bigger truck.
Not yet, honey, not yet.
Any other instructions for me?
Definitely no. What are they called? The ones that you drive?
Motorhome?
Definitely no motorhome.
I'm not talking about a motorhome.
Can't afford that.
Yeah, we can afford it.
No, we cannot.
We just have to sell the kids. We have our RV East Coast media passes, so we look official. So yeah, we're looking forward to the show. It's our third show. This time we are not doing interviews like we have done in the previous shows that we have attended. We're going to put links to those videos here. So we are looking to explore two specific manufacturers. One of them is Jayco. I have been following them in social media, and it looks like they have been putting some pretty cool trailers in the market lately. The warranty window is really big, so I think that you have to be pretty confident in your product in what you create if you offer a warranty such as the one that they offer. The other one that we want to look at is Grand Design. I am a big fan of Grand Design. They are really well built. It's good craftsmanship. We love our trailer. We really like the trailer we have because it has taken us to so many places and we have enjoyed family time, beautiful locations. But I wish we knew a little bit more about RVs when we bought it, because we would have maybe focused a little bit more in quality and not on getting the cheapest trailer out there. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I want to look at Grand Design. They make good product, good trailers, not to mention that they're really beautiful inside. So let's see what we can find today. We just saw a $500,000 RV. Did you like it?
I didn't really feel like it was for us. I didn't think
of course it's not for us.
like the space wasn't like suited well for a family.
But
beautiful.
But those are not for families. These kind of RVs like Integras are for empty nesters, maybe, that are traveling the country with no kids. They work enough their whole life and put up with enough drama throughout the entire life. Don't you agree?
No, because even when we're empty nesters, I want my grandkids to visit and be with us, so I don't see that in our future. Sorry.
Whatever. So we have been enjoying the show quite a bit. We have been looking at a lot of Grand Designs.
We like it. We saw a Raptor that we really liked.
Yeah, lots of interesting options. Right now we are at Jayco. We are so far pleased as well. They have some really beautiful rigs. Right now we are in a
Talon 33.5T.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep looking around. We really like it. We really like this one. I'm not gonna show that much footage because everything is wet. It has been raining the whole time we have been here, so it doesn't look as great. But maybe I'll show you a little bit. Let's keep moving and finding another rig. So we're taking a little break. Let's check our Fitbits. How many steps do you have?
5,400.
So far, yeah, about the same, 5,925. What are your thoughts so far?
I need a better job.
We need at least $100,000 to get the trailer. Maybe 150, so we can buy the truck too.
Right. No, but we're having fun looking at stuff and checking things out, and it's fun to think about the future.
Yeah. So far, let me bring it a little closer. I don't know if they can hear us. So far, we really like the Grand Design exhibits. Lots of grays, RVs. We also went to Jayco.
We like them too.
Yeah. So I think we are starting to narrow down where we want to be for our next trailer.
We made it. Almost 10,000 steps on the Fitbit. You got 10,000 yet?
Just stop it.
I didn't.
Stop at 1, yeah.
Ah, yeah, just under 10.
So who won?
And you did.
Yeah. So we walked almost 10,000 steps here today. Yeah, how relevant. So there was a big surprise today to the mix. We came here with a very specific goal. We were going to look at Grand Design and Jayco, but a new contender came to the table. What was the model?
The model was Raptor. The Raptor.
It was a Raptor by Keystone. I'm gonna put the model here on the screen, but man, we like that trailer.
Yeah, we did. We really liked that one. The design just felt really like homey, you know, and it had everything. I think it had everything we were looking for. It had the toy
it's a
hauler,
toy hauler, but you know, with the toy
kitchen.
haulers, you kind of get the 2 beds in the back. It's kind of like a bunkhouse too.
Right, but it did have a little loft inside for one of the kids, and it had a very spacious and comfortable. Oh man.
Yeah, the living room. Oh yeah, the seats vibrate.
And heat.
Yeah, and there were recliners too.
Yeah, so it really did feel like not only did it have everything we were looking for, but we just couldn't get past the design. It almost felt like farmhouse country. It just felt so inviting.
The bedroom was
warm.
Spacious enough. The bathroom felt right, like tall showers. Access from the master bedroom and from the hallway. We liked it so much that we ended up going twice to see it, and that kind of reminded me when we bought our first trailer. That's exactly what we did. We saw it, and then we went back to see it actually the next day, and after seeing it the second time, it still felt right, and I think that's what we experienced with this one. We came back to see it again, but the second time it wasn't like, we were like, yeah.
So we're not quite ready to buy a fifth wheel, but that is one we definitely want to keep on our radar because it just felt we could just envision ourselves there.
You see, you come to these RV shows to enjoy, get motivated, see what's new, and to feel a little bit miserable. About not having money to afford the new stuff. But I mean, I'm being a little bit sarcastic, a little bit of truth on that too. But you know, I actually feel motivated. I feel even happier that we are living this RV life, that we continue to like it, that you continue to like it, because she wasn't 100% on board to this lifestyle.
Yeah.
So So that's gonna do it for today, right?
We had a good time.
RV show in Hershey, PA. Oh, one more thing.
So we actually ran into quite a few people that knew us today. People that are watching our videos. Thank you so much for watching us. Thanks for stopping us and saying
It was so
hello.
surprising.
It was very unexpected.
Like the idea of someone recognizing us didn't even cross my mind. And when someone said, "Hey, Eli, RV East Coast," we were like, "Yeah." And then it happened again and again and again and again. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We cannot thank you enough. That's the reason why. This is the reason why we started this channel, right? We want to create a little community of people within our area.
And most people said they're looking for the same things that we've been looking for, is what reviews about campgrounds on the East Coast, because that's how, you know, we're trying new places and seeing new things. And so it was pretty cool.
Yeah,
And if you
so
see us-
connecting with some of you also was a little bit like motivational for us, because you know we are creating content and maybe you watch our videos all the time, but not all of you comment in our videos, and not all the time we know if we are doing something that is being well received by you guys.
Yeah.
So the fact that some of you recognize us, it was like a little bit of a confirmation that we are doing something right, because people from our area, which is the target that we are trying to reach, is starting to recognize us. So wow, that was really special. Thank you guys.
And if you see us in the future, never hesitate to stop us and say hello. We love meeting new
We
people.
are easy. We love.
Our kids will love it.
I don't know about the wife, but I love talking. So
That is true.
that's gonna do it for today. RV show here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. It was great. We'll see you next year. And my name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
This is RV East Coast.